Traveling can be stressful, especially for seniors, but did you know that there are a few common mistakes at the airport that can make the experience even worse? Now it's your turn to see the world, but airports in 2025? They're a whole new beast. If you're not ready, they'll chew you up before you even board. I see too many folks over 60 making simple mistakes that ruin their trip before it starts. You deserve to be relaxing, not stressing in a security line. So here's the plan. I'll walk you through the biggest airport mistakes and how to avoid them. Stick with me. Let's make your next trip smooth, easy, and first class all the way. Let's get started. First mistake, a classic travel blunder that's easily avoidable. Standing in that seemingly endless security line like you've got nowhere else to be, no plane to catch, no adventure awaiting. It's a common sight, but it doesn't have to be your reality. The solution? You absolutely need TSA PreCheck or CLEAR. These programs are game changers. With PreCheck, you keep your shoes and belt on, a small luxury that makes a big difference. No more frantic unpacking and repacking. You breeze through security while others unpack their lives, feeling the envy of those still stuck in the regular line. It's a smooth, efficient experience. Yes, it costs a little up front, but think of it as an investment in your sanity and travel enjoyment. The good news is that many credit cards cover the fee as a perk, so check yours. You might already have access to this time-saving benefit. Signing up is easy. The process is streamlined for your convenience. Apply online, schedule a quick appointment for fingerprinting, and you're in the system. Why waste precious energy standing in a soul-crushing line, inching forward with the masses? Instead, picture yourself relaxing with a coffee on the other side, already at your gate, or even enjoying the peace of an airport lounge. Don't be the person stuck in line, filled with frustration and regret. Be the one already comfortably at the gate, feet up, browsing a magazine, or catching up on emails. Your time and comfort are absolutely worth the small investment. Think of the stress you'll avoid. Get PreCheck, get CLEAR, and save your energy for the good stuff. Exploring new places, enjoying delicious food, and making lasting memories. This is the #1 mistake I see travelers making time and time again. Don't make it yourself. You wouldn't wait in a long, slow-moving grocery line if you saw a shorter one open up, would you? You'd jump at the chance to save time and get out of there faster, right? So don't do it at the airport. Don't resign yourself to the long lines. Be smart, skip the line, and start your vacation early. The airport doesn't have to be a stressful experience. Your feet, your mind, and your vacation will thank you for it. Let's talk about your meds. Tossing a dozen pill bottles in your bag? That's a rookie move. Get a TSA-compliant pill organizer. Sort your meds before you leave. Keep prescription labels. Snap a photo or stick them on your organizer. If TSA asks, you've got proof. It's faster, safer, and keeps your health info handy in an emergency. Don't treat your carry-on like a junk drawer. Organize your meds, keep your labels, and travel like a pro. It's not just about speed, it's about safety. If something happens first, responders need to know what you're taking. Be responsible, be prepared. A little organization saves you time, stress, and maybe more. You're too smart to get held up over pills. Pack your meds with pride and proof. Your seat isn't just a spot. It's your personal space in the sky. Think of it as your home away from home for the duration of your flight. It's your comfort zone, your little bubble, for hours on end. So, choosing wisely can make all the difference in how you experience your journey. Always, and I mean always, pick the aisle seat if you can. It gives you the freedom to get up and stretch your legs whenever you need to. Plus, you can easily hit the restroom without having to climb over anyone or disturb their precious nap time. As we get older, we need to move around more frequently to keep our circulation going and avoid stiffness. Aisle seats make that easy and convenient, allowing you to stay comfortable and healthy throughout the flight. On the other hand, try to avoid the back of the plane if possible. It tends to be bumpier, noisier due to the proximity to the engines and the lavatories, and unfortunately, you're usually last off the plane. If your budget allows, book a seat as close to the front of the plane as you can. When booking your flight, don't just blindly click through the seat selection process. Take a moment to stop at the seat map and choose wisely, considering your needs and preferences. Sometimes, selecting a preferred seat or upgrading to a more comfortable option costs a bit more. But trust me, it's worth every penny for your overall comfort and well-being during the flight. Don't let the airline stick you in a bad seat simply because you didn't take the time to choose. Don't end up crammed in a middle seat, feeling frustrated and uncomfortable because you weren't paying attention. Take control and be the boss of your seat selection. Remember, a good flight often starts with a good seat choice. Invest in your comfort and make your journey as pleasant as possible. Claim your throne and enjoy the ride. Period. Technology is great until it isn't. Don't rely on just the airline app for your boarding pass. Take a screenshot of your boarding pass as soon as you get it. Save it to your phone's wallet for easy access, even offline. And print a paper copy at the kiosk, just in case. Wi-Fi fails, apps crash, batteries die. Be over-prepared, not overwhelmed. The pros always have a backup plan. When tech fails, you'll keep moving like a boss. Use the app, but don't trust it with your whole trip. Screenshot, save, print. That's how you travel smart. Stay ready for anything. Don't walk past the airport lounge like it's not for you. Lounges are quiet, comfy, and stocked with free food and drinks. The restrooms are clean, the Wi-Fi works, and you can actually relax. Many credit cards offer free lounge access. Check your benefits. Even a day pass is worth it if you have a long layover. You'll spend almost as much at the gate on snacks and drinks. In the lounge, you get comfort, quiet, and all the snacks you want. It's the best money you'll spend at the airport. Don't just walk by. Peek in, treat yourself. You've earned it. Travel is about enjoying the journey, not just the destination. The good life is right behind that door. Go claim it. Don't let pride, that little voice inside that tells you to tough it out, keep you from asking for help at the airport. It's okay to admit you need assistance. There's absolutely no shame in it. These terminals are huge, sprawling complexes. Walking a mile to your gate isn't a badge of honor. It's exhausting, and it can take away from the enjoyment of your trip. Request a wheelchair or an electric cart when you book your ticket. It's a simple click or a quick phone call. It's free and easy. The option is usually right there on the airline's website. Airlines are required to provide it. It's part of their commitment to accessible travel, and it saves your energy for the fun part of your trip. Think of all the sightseeing, dining, and relaxing you'll be able to do with that extra energy. Ask in advance. Don't wait until you're exhausted at the airport. Plan ahead and make the arrangements before you even leave home. Using mobility assistance is smart, not weak. It's about being practical and prioritizing your well-being. You'll get through security faster and arrive at your gate relaxed, ready to enjoy your flight. Think of it as VIP service for valued customers. Because that's you. You deserve to be treated with respect and care. Don't turn your trip into an endurance test. Travel should be enjoyable, not a physical challenge. Swallow your pride and travel in comfort. You'll be glad you did. You've earned a little help. After all, you've worked hard and deserve to enjoy your golden years. Make the call, request the ride. It's a small step that can make a big difference. Enjoy the journey from start to finish. Happy travels. That's it. 6 mistakes you're never making again. Travel smart, travel with dignity, and enjoy every minute. Bonus tip. TSA is getting stricter. Only 3 items in your liquids bag. Go for solid shampoos and toothpaste tablets. You've got the tools? Now use them. If this helped, hit subscribe for more tips every week. Pack your bags the right way and have the trip of a lifetime. God bless. Go see the world.